Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Agora for live streaming in mobile apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Agora for live streaming in mobile apps, start by visiting the Agora website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be directed to a sign up page. Fill in your details, including your email address, password, and country. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Agora. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Agora website and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find the option to create a new project. Click on Create Project to start setting up your live streaming application. Fill in the project name and select the appropriate settings for your application. Choose the type of app you are developing, whether it's mobile, web, or desktop. Next, select the features you want to enable for your project, such as live streaming or voice call. After making your selections, click Create to finalize your project setup. Once the project is created, you will be taken to your project details page. Here, locate that app ID and app certificate, as you will need these for your mobile app integration. Make sure to keep this information secure. To configure your mobile app for Agora, download the Agora SDK for your specific platform. Follow the integration guide provided in the Agora documentation. This guide includes detailed steps on importing the SDK, configuring your app, and implementing live streaming features. After integrating the SDK, it's time to test your application. Use the provided sample apps from Agora to ensure that your integration is successful. Once everything is working smoothly, you can proceed to publish your app on the desired app stores. Remember to monitor your live streaming performance using the Agora dashboard. You can review metrics and manage your app settings as needed. That completes the registration and integration process with Agora for live streaming in mobile apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.